I hope you got a chance to spend some time outside today because it was absolutely beautiful, minus a few clouds. I think we would have liked to have seen a little bit more in the way of some sunshine today, but we made it up to 57 degrees today in Lincoln. That is the warmest on this state since 2006. We take a live look outside right now from Allo Communications, looking off to the south and west, and things are relatively quiet. If you look closely on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see Old Glory blowing, suggesting winds are still out of the south as it's blowing off to the right or off to the north. Temperature-wise, as of 6 o'clock, it's 47 degrees in Lincoln, 42 in Beatrice, and 40 degrees in Aurora. Keep in mind, our normal high temperature on the state is 35 degrees, so we're still well above that. Still have some clouds in place. There is a little band of some clearing that will begin to move into the area in places like O'Neill out towards North Platte and Broken Bow, already experiencing that. But as you look off to the north and west of there, more clouds are coming our way, so expect to see partly cloudy skies as we go through the overnight hours. Temperatures will keep dropping. 43 degrees by 7, will be into the 30s by 9 o'clock, and eventually down into the mid-20s by tomorrow morning. It's chilly, but not cold by this year's by standards this time of the year. We should typically be in the mid-teens for lows, so temperatures well above normal to start the day tomorrow. We'll likely start the day with some sunshine early on. As we go through the day, I think we will start to see mid to high level clouds return to the area. By noon, temperatures already back into the upper 40s to 50 degrees in Grand Island. And as we head towards the afternoon hours, we'll start to see more in the way of those mid to high level clouds, turning skies partly sunny, I think, at worst. High temperatures climbing up into the 50s tomorrow afternoon, forecasting a high of 53 degrees, so just a couple degrees cooler in Lincoln, as winds will shift around to the northwest, 5 to 12 miles per hour with some occasional gusts to 20 miles per hour, and temperatures up near 60 degrees once again out towards the Tri-Cities. As we go through the day on Thursday, we'll likely see more in the way of some sunshine. I'll look for mostly sunny skies, if not completely sunny skies, especially out in the Tri-Cities. Temperatures Thursday afternoon will make it back in the lower to mid 50s, so just a few degrees cooler Thursday afternoon. But there's so much colder air coming our way as we head towards the end of the week. Friday, at least Friday morning, will be our transitional period before we start watching this weather system that's out over the central Pacific, specifically between the Aleutian Islands of Alaska and Hawaii. I've got it highlighted here in the yellow circle. This weather system will keep moving off to the east and is eventually going to bring us the potential for some colder air and some rain changing over to snow. This is just one computer model's forecast of what could happen with the radar imagery. It's going to start out into the southwest portions of Canada and then start to dive almost due south. And the big question will be, when does it start to make that move to the south? This specific computer model of Stormcast is a little further west than other computer models, which suggest more that snow starts to come through the central part of the state. So Friday, we're likely to see some showers developing towards afternoon and evening, and then we'll eventually see that changing over to snow Friday night and the potential for some accumulating snow around here by Saturday morning. Far from being set in stone, though, we'll continue to monitor that over the next several days. Behind that weather system, the second half of the weekend will be on the cool side, highs in the 30s to near 40 degrees, and that's what we'll keep around here for as we go into the middle and end of next week. In fact, temperatures seasonable with lows down to the middle teens, high temperatures back in the low to mid 30s. So if you are looking for a little snow, it's coming our way, but in the meantime, enjoy this warmer temperatures while we've got them.